Ako po si Tene Rose Endante.
At ako naman si Michael Davantes.
At ito ang Mabuhay Montreal TV. Ating mga kababayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mackenzie Park kung saan kasalukuyan nagaganap ang Pista Sanayon dito sa Montreal.
Ipinagdiriwang ng Pista Sanayon ang ganda at husay ng pagiging Pilipino. Kung kahit sa araw na ito ay mararanasan natin ang yaman ng ating kultura at tradisyon mula sa mga palaro, parada, sayaw at pagkaing Pilipino.
At syempre ngayon, Michael, mararamdaman natin ang community spirit.
Okay, we have another winner prize.
Kung kaya't inaanyaya namin kayo na samahan kami dito sa Pista Sanayon.
Panoorin po natin ang parada.
Nasa bubong tayo ngayon ng Bicol Association para makikain.
Samantala habang nakikikain tayo ngayon, Michael, nandiyan naman ang ating kasamahan na si Tita Amy kung saan in-interview niya ang iba't ibang businesses na sumali dito.
Hi, so we are here at IREMIT at the tent where Simeon Sartip, who is the marketing director and branch manager from Toronto of IREMIT, and Sheila Milibo, who is in charge here in Montreal, is here with us at Pista Sanayon. So, Simeon, ano ang IREMIT?
Yeah, ang IREMIT po ay global remittance. It send money from here in Canada going to Philippines and all over the world. So we are here in Montreal. We have our preferred partner Sheila Milibo, and we do all the services like door-to-door, bank-to-bank, and we have the pick-up, and we have the Visa card, IREMIT Visa card powered by Visa, and lots of services like order ng Jollibee, bayad sa mga remittance, yung condos, and lots of things.
So we serve mostly Filipinos, of course, 90%. And our charge is only $8. We have for the visa reloading. It's like a visa. It's only for remittance, but if they go shopping, their family in the Philippines, it's just they swipe and you don't need cash. So, and then we offer also $5,000 maximum dollars to those who wants to send money, big amount.
Ayan, nasubukan ko ng mga pagkain Bicolano.
Ayan, magpakabusog ka muna, Michael. Cheers sa lahat ng mga Filipino dito sa Pista Sanayon na dumalo. At syempre, kasama pa rin natin ngayon si Tita Amy.
So we are here with Globe, and we have John C., who is a trade consultant, and he's here to tell us what Globe is all about. So, John, what is Globe?
Hi to everybody, first and foremost. Globe is a network in the Philippines, as we all know. It's unlimited calling to the Philippines. We're offering this product. So, and this is actually a service that doesn't require an internet connection, and it's unlimited for 30 days. So this will be a very big help to our kababayans who frequents calling the Philippines, their loved ones, their mothers, their husbands, their wives, their kids.
Okay. So here, John and his company, The Globe, is the first time a participant of this Pista Sanayon. So how do you feel about all these participants, all these Filipinos, kababayan natin? How can they benefit from all of this? I know we do a lot of calling sa Pilipinas. Hindi ba?
Opo. Actually po, napakasaya and that everybody's here and we're enjoying. You know, and you see that there's unity within the Filipinos, and that is why Globe decided to offer this service so that we can help our kababayans here better. With our study, they spend about $50 to $100 kasi with the call cards to call the Philippines. So right now, what we did was we came up with a product that offers only $29 Canadian to call unlimited to the Philippines to one Globe or Touch mobile number.
Napusok ako dun ah.
Ang bilis mo naman kumain, Michael. Pero alam mo, si Tita Amy, isang hirit na lang. Narito, panoorin po natin.
Welcome to the tent of the Heritage Educational Fund. And this afternoon at the Pista Sanayon, we have Bill Takash and Esther Almela. And Bill is the Vice President of Sales, and Esther is one of the directors, and they're here as part of the group that joined us with our Pista Sanayon. So Bill, what is the goal of this association or this group?
Heritage or for
Heritage.
Well, Heritage, what we do is we help families save for their children's future post-secondary education. And that's what we're here, just to let people know of the fact of what we do and spread the good word.
Yeah, especially now with so many children around, and I think that's the future. Our goal in MMTB, our program is mostly educational, cultural, sports, music. So very good that we have education and it's part of them. And how about you, Esther? What can you share about joining us in this afternoon?
Well, we want to thank you very much for having us here, especially Nida Chiapas inviting us here to the Pista Sanayon. We're here to let parents know that we are available to them if they wish to have more information for education savings plans. It's a very important product, a very important information that we have to give them so that we can help them save.
Very good. And thank you very much, Esther, Bill, for joining us this afternoon, and enjoy the beautiful afternoon. And for the future of your children, the Heritage Educational Fund.
Thank you.
Ang tema ng Pista Sanayon sa taong ito ay Stronger Bayanihan Spirit for a Better Community.
Magandang tema yan dahil ang bayanihan spirit talaga ay dapat na pairalin at pasikabin sa ating damdamin para sa ibubuti ng ating komunidad.
Aha, parang naging makata ka, Michael, ngayon.
Nasa mood lang dahil feel ko talagang community spirit na nagaganap ngayon.
Oo, tama yan, Michael. Ang pagtitipon na ito, makikita mo talaga ang kooperasyon at saya ng ating komunidad. Kaya ngayon, panoorin natin ang ating mga folk dancers.
nabutan tayo ng maple trees at hindi palm trees, parang Pilipinas ang atmosphere dito sa Mackenzie Park, di ba?
Oo, tama yan. Para din tayong nasa Pilipinas dahil sa dami ng mga Pilipinong dumalo at different organizations and associations. Panoorin po natin si Derwin.
It seems like a great event. Tell me about this Pista Sanayon.
Yeah, this Pista Sanayon 2014 is one of the biggest affair of the Filipinos in Montreal. As of now, there are several or number of businesses, organizations, and also outsiders, as well as government officials are coming.
Who is the main organizer though? Is it FAMAS?
Yeah, the main organizers is FAMAS. I only a part of it as the chairman.
Are you happy with the turnout? There seems to be a lot of organization and businesses as well as the community.
Yes, I'm happy, and I owe all of this from our concerted effort of the executive board as well as the FAMAS membership.
Is there anything you'd like to tell our viewers?
Yes, I just want to express my sincerest gratitude to everybody who attended, especially, and to those who are watching now. And I hope that next year we'll have a better and nicer Pista Sanayon.
Thank you, Dan.
You're welcome.
At ang ating masipag na reporter sa araw ngayon, si Tita Amy, ay nandyan sa isang association.
Dito kami sa harap ng tent ng Philippine Chess Club na si Manny Lagasca ang presidente. So we don't even not only dancing, music, but chess challenges. So Manny, as president of this club, what is going on right now?
Right now we are having a simultaneous game. That means to say, one of our master is playing against 8 players, and we have an entry of $10. Actually, this is a fundraising for our club. An entry of $10. Whatever will be the proceed from this simultaneous game will be added to our coffer.
I'm quite impressed with 2 tents for the chess club. So there's something going on. If you can peep in, and here they are with all the challenges. So how can you join? I mean.
Okay, anybody can join the club. Actually, we have a 16 years old, 14 years old member, and as long as, because you will be categorized before you join the club, you will be rated as a player before you can play. We will be conducting a chess clinic for younger people aged 7 and above, and hopefully this will be implemented by fall, and it will be the venue will be at FAMAS once a week for 2 hours. That is our main goal, and we are going to have our induction party on July 26 at St. Kevin at 6 o'clock p.m. The ticket is very, very affordable. You know, it's only $15 per person, and if you want to attend the party, you can just get your ticket at St. Kevin at the gate.
Muli pong magbabalik ang MMTV dito sa Pista Sanayon. Tuwing piyesa sa aming hometown sa Parana, Samar ay may mga pagkain talaga na hindi mawawala. Yan yung torta, latik at kuryoso.
Sa amin naman, Michael, sa Naga City, uso ang murkon, ang mga kakanin at ang iba pang gulay na gawa sa gata.
Ay masarap yan. At syempre, tuwing piyesta ay may pagkain na hindi talaga mawawala. At yan ay ang lechon.
Oo, kasama natin dyan si Ding.
Sadyang napaka-festive ng Pista Sanayon dito sa Mackenzie Park. At hindi lang lechon ang matatagpuan dito, iba't ibang klaseng putahe rin. Hi, kamusta?
Hi.
Ano-ano ang meron dito?
So over here we have okoy, which is kind of like a shrimp fritter with vegetables. Here we have our barbecue chicken and also our famous pork barbecue. And on the side over here, we have our fried calamari.
Great! So Michael and Tenny, sana masubukan nyo ito.
Maraming salamat, Ding. Balikan natin ngayon si Derwin.
What's your name?
My name is Grito Manzano,
and I am the president of the Filipino-Canadian Tennis Association of Montreal.
Tell me about your organization or business.
We are a non-profit organization, and actually we're recruiting Filipino youth to join us in playing tennis.
So any age can join?
Any age could join. Actually, we also invite most retirees who are inactive to come and see us at the club.
To keep physically fit?
To keep physically fit, right.
Tell me, how can the people join?
To be a member of the Filipino-Canadian Tennis Association, there's a membership fee of $10 every year, and you could have access to the courts, and we will give free trials and free clinics in playing tennis.
So they come see you where?
You could see us at the CDL Racket Club located near CAE, Codilles, and we are there. We play every Saturday and Sunday morning and in the afternoon.
Great, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Back to you guys.
Alam mo, Tini, I had a wonderful childhood, kaya I'm a child at heart talaga.
Ako naman, Michael, masaya talagang aking childhood kasi syempre, alam mo ba naman, ang mga laro natin noon ay may interaction talaga.
Yes, ang computer games natin noon ay kalsada, kaya paglabas ng bahay ay nandyan ang ating mga kaibigan na nag-iisip ng iba't ibang palaro.
Kaya ngayon, Michael, sa araw na to, dito sa Pista Sanayon, marami tayong mga palarong mapapanood.
Dina del Castillo. This is our free. All right.
Remember the name of the game? It's Tiyakan. It's a forgotten game. We'll bring it back.
Against Tony Parker. Yeah. Come on. Hard. This is battle of... 4. Go, 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 go. That's it. Thank you guys. Wow.
Tuwing fiesta, hindi talaga mawawala ang mga beauty pageant.
At dito sa Pista Sanayon ay meron tayong search for mutya ng Pista Sanayon.
The mutya ng Pista Sanayon 2014 is Charlene Mawasnon. Charlene Mawasnon is the first ever mutya ng Pista Sanayon. Give them a big round of applause.
So don't even bother asking, babe. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change.
Patuloy pa rin po ang celebration ng ating fiesta.
Kaya huwag kayong alis.
Alam mo, Michael, para talagang family picnic dito sa Mackenzie King Park dahil sa dami ng asosasyon para talaga tayong isang buong pamilya.
Oo nga, alam mo ba na naging tradisyon itong Pista Sanayon to celebrate good harvest and to be thankful for all our blessings. And I feel blessed talaga na naging party tayo ng selebrasyon na ito and we were able to meet old friends and make new friends.
Oo, napakasaya makita lang ang ating mga kapamilya at mga kaibigan. And syempre, maganda ang ating panahon ngayon. Salamat po sa lahat na pumunta dito. Narito ang recap ng ating Pista Sanayon.
Kasama po natin ngayon ang isa sa mga hermano mayores sa si Tita Feli Rosales Carino. Tita Feli, nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Oh, tremendously from beginning to end, morning until now. I'm still enjoying.
Ayan. So ano po ba ang katukulan ng isang hermano mayor?
Ang isang hermano mayor ay siyang patron grand marshal ng Pista sa Nayon. Siya ang gumagawa ng numbers ng program at siya ang nag-aayos sa mga participants.
Ayan. You've been a great leader ngayong araw na to kasi it's been very, very successful.
Oh, thank you. I like that. It was really successful.
Ngayon, Michael, kasama naman natin ang ating producer ng Mabuhay Montreal TV na si Tita Zenny Carubi. Tita Zenny, magandang hapon sa iyo.
Magandang hapon naman, Tenny.
So, ano po naging partisipasyon ng ating MMTV ngayon?
Meron tayong membership drive para sa Mabuhay Montreal TV. Lahat ng tao ay maaaring maging member at magkakaroon sila ng maraming benefits kagaya ng mga diskwento sa mga business members ng MMTV. Sana lahat ng Pilipino sa Montreal ay maging member dahil 30,000 people can support MMTV for at least 2 years. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat.
Maraming pong salamat, Tita Zenny. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagkikinig sa aming programa.
Na patuloy na naglilingkod sa ating komunidad.
Muli po tayo magsama-sama
dito sa MMTV.
We have a winner.